Hi, this is Ken from GoVacuum.com. I wanted to show you the Hoover Air cordless bh50121 that we put models. It's the huge, new condition. You can see here inside the cup. It's been completely cleaned up, every garbage, and there's no sign that's the dirt anywhere. And we can also replace the filter. It's a new filter that even solved. You can see even inside has been cleaned out. Other parts have been replaced with the two visible filter and a new belt. You can see on bottom here how clean it is inside, and it's got two batteries. Street channel subtraction of pad and wind tunnel technology. As you can see, those are batteries and attachments, shrouds, and the owner's manual. As you can see, the handle is easy to reach. As you can see, there's a nozzle. As you can see, those lithium life batteries. It's got 3 LEDs blue. And as you can see on right here, the lights is up, on and off. And it comes with the brush roll power button. And easy to use. And that's it for today. Oh, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And
good commercial, buddy.
Until next time, and the most important, Cam, sign off.